Christ alone. Know His power within your mighty hand. When the ocean rises thunderstruck, I will show with you above the storm. Father, you are king over the flood. I will be still, and you are God. So far.